The greater good.
Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. Crypto is crashing. Kaspa is crashing. And it is all your fault. Not all of you, but there is a large majority of you. And I know that the correction is a wide, sweeping correction of the stock market, crypto. There's a lot of macro going on right now, a little bit of shakeups with tariffs, maybe the timing of the cycle. A lot of people are calling this a bear trap. I tend to agree with them. Nothing in this video is financial advice. All that being said, there are some things that you can do personally to help minimize this type of crash if you guys just take some personal responsibility. And unfortunately, human nature usually prevails. Bad habits usually prevail. But I'm going to go over a few things in this video. They're real simple that you can do to help minimize these type of events. So if you like that kind of content, hit the like button. It helps more than you know. Check out some of my other YouTube videos. I've got tons of crypto content. Follow me on X. That's where I usually post like daily, multiple times a day. And I do find good information on X that I repost and add value to and have a little fun. And then join my Discord, it's free. So anyway, let's go ahead and get right into the video. One of the first things you can do, and it is extremely simple, is get your crypto off of exchanges, please. Remember, cash held on an exchange does not belong to you. It belongs to the exchange. You are an unsecured creditor. Large exchanges work with market makers and they provide liquidity. They place buy and sell orders and move a large amount of crypto back and forth between these two partners, and they can indirectly influence the price direction. So you can flood the market with sell orders, and these are just fake sell orders, and market makers can depress the prices that way. So they can do the opposite if they want prices to go up. They can pull liquidity, and it's kind of like supply and demand. It's a very simple concept, and you are supplying them with liquidity when you leave your crypto on the exchange. It costs you everything and it costs them nothing. They are using your own crypto against you. So what's the benefit of keeping it on exchange? Okay, if you need to keep some on an exchange because you need to be able to buy and sell quickly, or you need to pay some bills, cool, but don't leave it on there. You know how Kaspa is extremely fast. You can send your Kaspa from a Tangent wallet or whatever wallet, your web wallet, whatever wallet you're using, in seconds. So why keep it on an exchange? There's really no benefit whatsoever. The only reason why you'd keep it on exchange is if you want to sell it, or if you have it in a trading bot or something like that. But really, it's so simple. Just get your crypto off an exchange. I use Tangent Wallet to store my Kaspa. Today, the 28th, is the last day that you can get 15% off of a Tangent Wallet. You can use my discount code GreaterGood for 10% off and an extra 5% off of a Tangent Wallet right now. So 3-card set would only cost you $59, usually be much more than that, about $70. But check out Tangent, links in the description. You can get 15% off, and I think today is the last day. It says flash sales over today, February 28th. So hop on there and get it real quick if you want. This is part of what is wrong right now. People are leaving too much of their crypto on exchanges. And I'm not going to accuse any exchange specifically, but this is what happened. Market makers, this is how they do their thing. And you can prevent it. It's all up to you. Don't let them use your crypto against you. I'm gonna give away a Bitcoin Note Tangent Wallet in this video. It's a 1-card Tangent Wallet for Bitcoin. And just comment #Tangent down below. This is for US only at this time, please. And tell me what you think about the video. Tell me what you think about the current state of crypto, and I'll give this away in about a week. I reposted this post from Mr. Crypto on X, and I said they dug deep on this one. And when I say they, I mean market makers and exchanges. They are grabbing all the downside liquidity. There is not much more to grab. This is the juicy stuff that they wanted, and they just kept going. So you know what comes next is what Mr. Crypto says. It might take a while to recover from all of this though. So this is what I'm talking about when I say that exchanges and market makers, They're playing a game. They're trying to liquidate longs right now. And then eventually, I mean, sorry to shorts, but if you're shorting the market and you're kind of playing with fire. So leverage trading is part of the problem too. So let's go ahead and get into that. If you've been a trader for a while, then you should know better. But unfortunately, human nature tends to take over with greed. And if you're new to crypto, you should know about this. Okay, so Binance BTC USDT liquidation heat map. This is showing where people are leveraged and getting liquidated. So let's talk about that. In markets with high leverage, which basically are borrowed funds, exchanges can benefit from price swings. Sudden price movements liquidate traders. So, for instance, if market makers want the price to drop, they can wipe out leveraged longs. And leveraged longs are basically people betting that the price of crypto will go up. And in this case, Bitcoin, in this chart here that I'm showing you. So why would they want to do that? Wouldn't exchanges want prices to go up only? No, because they liquidate people. They get fees from this type of action. So the exchange benefits from manipulators, and then they end up repurchasing the crypto for cheap. So for instance, Kaspa is only like 7.5 cents right now. If they would have bought like months ago, we're talking about 11 cents, 14 cents. They don't care if the price of your crypto that you hold goes up. They want the fees. They want to liquidate people and buy the crypto cheaper. And then guess what they're going to do eventually? They'll swing it the other direction, which is, great for us that hold, but not so great for people that are shorting the market. So if you're trading with high leverage, just know you're playing with fire. People that know better, that have been traders for a while, already know this, and they still do it and get liquidated. People that are new to crypto, I want you to know, not financial advice, but don't F around with high leverage. Like, don't just spot and chill. And as a miner, I mine and chill. I have been just hodling, and you just ride this wave. Eventually, things are going to go up. We have great macro right now. We don't need to be buying thousands of dollars of meme coins that get rug pulled. There's so many things you can do to help your own bags out. It's very tempting to do these things because people want a quick buck. I wanted to do this video real quick because the market just completely tanked. Maybe some people are looking for some answers. If you're newer to crypto, just know there's games being played and you can win still. You don't have to play into these games, and you win by taking your crypto off exchanges and putting it into a cold storage wallet. You win by not messing around with leverage when there's such high volatility and there's entities that are way bigger than us that we have no control over whatsoever. And there's macro things that can happen, like the tariffs are causing some instability and people are getting a little scared, and the markets want stability so we can go up. If you are new to crypto in general, like I said, I've got tons of crypto content. Check it out. Follow me on X. I like to have a lot of fun. I like to goof around. You'll see. So anyway, I hope the video was helpful to you, or at least interesting. Like I said, if it was, hit the like button. It really helps more than you guys know. Subscribe to the channel. And last but not least, don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good.
The greater good.